KLTO, stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in this YouTube space actually that has done 40,000 videos like this for 5 years straight, and it's been like 40,000 videos in 5 years. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And unironically, after a pump up like this, where are we heading at? At some point of the day it was 60 cents, now it's 28, 30, kind of halved. And it's not the first time, maybe not even the last time where this thing could pump. But in an environment like this, 9 times out of 10 I've seen these things just keep melting. Right? It's okay, maybe yeah, I know this, but now what? Right? Why? What now? Well, I'm not looking to trade it because I would much rather follow other ticker symbols that is alongside instead of a sell, and also far better rules met and risk my capital there rather than this thing here. Being perfectly upfront and honest with you, that's just my way of thinking. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.